An arrested person has the right to be released on bond or bail on reasonable conditions pending a charge or trial unless there are compelling reasons not to be released. Section 123A of the CPC provides, subject to Article 49(1)H and notwithstanding Section 123 of the CPC, in making decision on bail and bond, the court shall have regard to all the relevant circumstances and in particular the following, and I quote: nature and seriousness of the offense. B, the character, antecedents, association, and community ties of the accused persons. C, the defendant record in respect of the fulfillment of obligations under previous grants of bail. And D, the strength of the evidence of his having committed the offense. From the above provisions of the law, it is clear that the right to bail and bond is not absolute, but it is rather subject to limitations. This further is buttressed in the case of the Republic v. Sifuna, a criminal case number 14 of 2023. The respondent have submitted that they are all civil servants, having been employed by the TSC and worked for a number of years. They have further submitted that they are not a flight risk and that they have been cooperating with the police since their arrest. The prosecution has not provided to the court evidence or proof to show that the respondents are a flight risk. I further note that the first and the 13th respondents are the deputy and the principal to the school. It is safe to say that as we speak, the school is on autopilot with no one to steer it during this examination period. The school is a public school and therefore a public property. This court has to balance between private and public interest. The question is it in the public interest the respondent are held in custody without bail at the risk of public property to be wasted or be stolen? What about the seriousness of the allegations in question? I know that education is the backbone of our economy as a country, and anyone who interferes or tries to interfere is akin to interfering or mess with the very fabric of our nation's development.